Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. I want to talk about 5 tips for you to make sure that the process of doing laundry is ideal for your sustainable and minimalist wardrobe, because by doing laundry we can do a lot of things to make it more sustainable, and we can also do a few things to just make the process easy and minimal and practical for your life. And so let's get started with the first tip. It's very straightforward and I think I've talked about it before, and that is just don't wash your clothes if they're not dirty, if they don't smell bad, and if you just don't need to wash them in general. Of course, there are things that we need to wash every single day, or let's say after each use, and there are also things that we can use for a longer period of time without washing it. This is, for example, a wool jumper. It really doesn't smell easily and I can just hang it outside for a bit to air it out instead of washing it. So I can go longer periods without washing it, which takes just a piece out of the whole laundry cycle, which makes it easier for me to do laundry, which makes me save some time and energy, and where I have a piece in my wardrobe for a longer time before I need to take it out of my wardrobe, put it in a laundry pile and wait for it for a few days until it's washed and dried and I can use it again. So washing your clothes less frequently makes it more sustainable because you don't use all the energy and things involved with washing, and it also makes it more sustainable because the clothes will hold up longer, because the whole washing process does take a toll on clothes if it's done over and over and over again, which of course we need to do to our clothes, but if we don't need to wash them, we can just wait for a bit, and that will help our clothes be in a good shape for a longer period of time. And then of course when it comes to doing laundry, because no matter how long we wear things, no matter how minimalist our wardrobe is, we do need to do laundry every few days, or at least once every 10 days maybe. There are a few things again that I like to consider to make sure that the process of doing laundry is sustainable and just as easy as it can be for myself. This is where today's sponsor is coming into play, which is True Earth, offering these very sustainable and practical laundry strips that I'm gonna show you how to use. So the major advantages of this product when it comes to sustainability and just being very practical overall is it is packaged in cardboard, which makes it sustainable because we don't need any plastics to pack this product. And it's also a very small packaging, as you can see. And there are 32 loads of laundry in one of these envelopes, and they come in almost in sheet form. These are the laundry sheets, and these are 2 loads of laundry, so I can tear it apart in the middle here, and now I have 2 loads worth of laundry. Of course, you can always use 2 strips if your load of laundry is extra dirty. But yeah, very easy to use because you just put it into the washer and that's everything you need to do. With this kind of packaging, which is both eco-friendly because of the material it uses and because of the weight and space it takes up, True Earth is able to save 94% of carbon emissions. And I think that's amazing, because just imagine how much space, let's say a liquid laundry detergent would take up if there are 32 loads. That would be a huge container or a huge bottle or something like that. So this is really convenient and very sustainable, which is, the reason I really love it. And as you can see, it is really easy to use. I just put all of my dirty clothes into the washing machine, and then I add the True Earth laundry strip to the washing machine's detergent compartment, and I start my load of laundry. And the third tip I have to make sure doing laundry is sustainable is using an eco program if you have one. I have this eco program on my washing machine, and I also make sure to not wash my laundry very hot, because that saves a lot of energy as well. And since I have a detergent that really cleans my laundry, no matter if it's cold or warm water, I am happily able to just use the warm water setting, and I am sure the laundry will get clean even though it's not very hot water. My fourth tip is really having a routine that works for you. This really saves so much time and energy if you just know how you're doing laundry, if you have a routine that makes sure no clothes are piling up in any state of doing laundry. And for me, that works very easily. I just wait until one load of laundry is in my hamper and then I do laundry. I wash everything together because I don't see the need to do different loads of laundry, just because we don't have whites that need to be protected, and we also don't have other special items that I want to wash differently. I do have to say that my wool sweaters, like this one that I'm wearing right now, I do wash from hand, just because no matter what kind of washing cycle I use, I am afraid they would shrink, and so I wash them by hand. But all the things that I do wash in my washing machine, I just wash together, which makes it very easy for me. And then of course, I do make sure that whenever the load of laundry is done, I don't wait to put it on the drying rack, and then I also don't wait when it's dry to just fold it and put it away. Like that, I can ensure that there are no mountains of laundry in any state piling up in my apartment somewhere. I can make sure that I have my clothes as soon as possible back again in my closet, and that really makes it easier with a minimalist wardrobe, because like that I just know that I don't have to wait for so long. I know where my clothes are. I know that I'm just not having mountains of things somewhere that need to be tackled. I just do what needs to be done as soon as I can do it, and then it's done, and then I have my clothes again clean and fresh to use. And the fifth thing I want to mention, and I've already talked about it briefly, is hang drying your clothes. It's really very sustainable because you can save a lot of energy by not tumbler drying your clothes. But I of course do understand if you want to dry your clothes in a dryer, because it's just very practical. But I dry my clothes for the purpose of sustainability, and not just because it saves energy, but also it can make your clothes last so much longer. And as you can see, my load of laundry is done, so I'm hanging everything on my clothing rack, and it smells good and fresh without overwhelmingly scented laundry detergent. That's what I really love about True Earth laundry detergent as well. It's just what I need. It washes my clothes, makes them perfectly clean, and does smell good but not overwhelming. Also make sure to check out the link and the discount code down below in the description to get yourself some eco strips to do laundry, because it's just a very easy and sustainable option that I can highly recommend. Now I would be really interested in knowing from you what the things are that you do to ensure that your wardrobe is sustainable in general. What you also do that the process of doing laundry is sustainable as well, and how you do laundry in general. Because I think it's very interesting. These household chores are something that are so natural for us, that we do almost every day, and still we do it so differently here in Europe or in the US or in Canada or in Asia or in Africa or in South America. There are so many different ways of doing these small things that seem so easy and natural. But I would be really interested in knowing what the things are that you do, that you maybe do differently than I do them. Thank you again for True Earth for sponsoring today's video, and don't forget to check out the link down below in the description. With that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, because that would really help the algorithm and my channel. And if you want to see more videos, you can check out the video right here and the playlist I linked you right here if you want to, if you have time. And I also hope to see you next time. Bye!